Hello there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to use that My AI on Snapchat. So might have heard that Snapchat just released a new feature called My AI on their application. It's just like any other AI feature on any other apps. It helps you with your concerns or questions to be answered properly. So let's get on with it. Just open your Snapchat account or Snapchat application. Now, before anything else, I should let you know that Snapchat is doing this release publicly. It's been slowly rolling out to the public as of now, so not everyone or not every state or region has this feature yet. So, how to check if you have one? Please open your chat section on your Snapchat app, and it should be on the very top part of this chat section. And as you can see here, I don't have it yet. That means that My AI feature is not available on my region as of now. To make sure that I really am not eligible as of now, I'm gonna check it on the App Store. From here, I just want you to click on Snapchat. And as you can see here, my Snapchat is on the latest version as available after this moment. If you have an update sign here, please click on it. That might be the solution to your problem. And once you have edited it, open it, and I'm gonna show you what to expect. This is what you should expect. My AI should look like this, like any other person on your contact list. It's just like any other friends you have on Snapchat. It's just like this one. It says My AI with this emoji right here. Now, how do we talk to with it? It's just like any other friends, as I've mentioned. Just say hi or something like that. It has an automated reply. Now, if you have a specific question, it will give you a specific answer to that question, like here. Now, just to make sure, one little thing that might hinder the process here, just making sure, please check your software update if you have the latest version. How do we do that is open settings, go in general, go on software update. Now make sure you have the latest version of iOS available or installed on your device, and then check on your Snapchat if it's up to date. Now, if those two are available to update, please click on them. Once done, check on your app on Snapchat if you have that My AI. If not, let's just wait for it to be publicly rolled on our area. Okay? Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.